In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Clickup password. Changing your Clickup password periodically is a good security practice. Maybe you've come across advice urging you to update your passwords regularly, or perhaps you just need to reset it for personal reasons. Either way, don't worry, the process is straightforward and I'm here to walk you through it. First things first, let's navigate to the Clickup website. This is where everything begins. Clickup, as many of you know, prides itself on being the all-in-one app for work, designed to keep your tasks, documents, goals and chats all in one place. So head over to their homepage. You'll find the link in the description below, or simply type Clickup in your preferred search engine and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the Clickup site, you'll need to log in to access your workspace. Look for the login button and click on it. This will bring you to a screen asking for your email. Enter the email associated with your Clickup account and proceed. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your current password to log in. The process should be familiar, just like logging into any other platform. Click the login button after entering your credentials and you'll be directed to the main dashboard of Clickup. This is your workspace, a hub for all your activities and projects. Here you'll see various options, but for now our focus is on accessing your profile settings. Look towards the bottom left of your screen or wherever your profile picture is located. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu with several options including settings. From this menu, select settings. This action will navigate you to a new screen where you'll find several options related to your Clickup account. Among these options, there's one specifically labeled password. Click on that. It's here that you'll be able to initiate the password change process. You'll be asked to enter your new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters often makes for a robust password. After entering your desired password, you'll need to click Save to confirm the change. However, the process doesn't end there. For security reasons, you'll be asked to confirm your new password. This step ensures you didn't make a mistake while typing your new password the first time. Enter your new password again and confirm it. And that's all it takes. You've successfully changed your Clickup password. Remember, it's important to keep your password safe and not share it with others. And if you ever feel like your account security might be compromised, revisiting this process to set up a new password is a quick and effective measure to protect your data. Consider using a password manager if you find it challenging to keep track of all your different passwords. Not only do they help remember all your passwords for you, but they also can generate strong passwords and store them securely. So, to wrap up, changing your Clickup password is a simple yet crucial task to ensure your account remains secure. Follow the steps we've gone through and you'll have a new password in no time. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to navigate and make the most out of your favourite digital tools and platforms. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.